In this video, I will show you how you can easily use trading signals to place a trade that can make you an average of $100 daily. This is the second episode of my last video, and in that video, I explain how you can make $100 daily on BYBIT without doing analysis, building a strategy, or having any prior knowledge of crypto trading. To be able to make this $100 daily, you have to register your BYBIT account with my partnership link in the pinned comment of this video or the first link in the description. With this, you will get a lot of sign-up bonuses. You can check the first episode of this video for that. Then the next thing you have to do is to deposit 100 USDT in your wallet. And lastly, you join my Telegram channel where I drop free trading signals every time. One thing is to get free trading signal, and another thing is to know how to use this trading signal to enter a trade so that you can make profit for yourself. So that is why I'm making this video. This video is for you that doesn't know how to use signals to trade, you that doesn't know how to trade at all, or you that has been losing money on trading. I will explain every detail of how you can easily use trading signals to place a trade in this video. My name is Julius, and on this channel I make videos on making money both online and offline, investment, financial management, crypto related content, and every other things. If you're interested in things like this, can you like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload important videos like this one. Sit back, relax, while we get straight to the point. So this video is for everyone because in this video I will explain how you can easily use my signals to place a trade. Please listen and follow this video carefully. And the first thing you should do is to register your BYBIT with my partnership link. So after you registered with my partnership link, the next thing you're supposed to do is to download the app. So after downloading, you log in and do your KYC. And this can be very easy because you can easily use your NIN, your BVN, your driver's license, your voter's card. You can use any ID card that is government issued. So that is very easy to do. And after that, you deposit 100 USDT into your BYBIT account. And after depositing your 100 USDT, you're going to see the money in funding. You see it there in funding. It will be credited here. And the next thing you have to do is to move it from funding to unified trading or to inverse derivative. Now, I'm going to do that right now just for the purpose of this video. So let me move some money from my funding account to my unified trading account. So to do that, you click on funding. As you can see, this is our funding account, and you click on transfer. So up there you see unified trading account, and now here you see funding accounts. But we wanted to transfer from funding to unified trading, not from unified trading to funding. So what do we have to do is to switch it, and to switch it you click on this arrow that is going up and down. You click here. So after clicking, the funding account is going to be up and the unified trading account will come down. So you have to select USDT here. Yeah, you have to select USDT there. If it's not USDT, you have to change it to USDT because what we are actually dealing with here is USDT. Then you click the amount you want to send. I will send 500 for the purpose of this video. So confirm. So the transfer is successful. So we can now check our unified trading account. Right now we have 572 USD. So the purpose of actually doing this is that we cannot use the money in our funding account to trade. We can only use the money in unified trading account or inverse derivative account. So you have to have it at the back of your mind that your unified trading account and your inverse derivative account serve the same purpose. It is only these two accounts that you can use to trade. So right now let's go to derivative. Derivatives is down here. So derivative is between market and trade. So derivative, as you can see right now, you can see the balance. The balance is there available. So 571.77. As you can see, we are only seeing the balance from our unified trading account. We didn't see the one from funding. So you can't use the funds in your funding account to trade. So you have to have this at the back of your mind too. So immediately you deposit money into your account, you move it to your unified trading account. Now to place trade with the signals I give, let's take this BTC USDT for example. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to leverage. Leverage is actually very, very important. Though in the signals I'll be dropping on the Telegram channel, I will always indicate the leverage that you are supposed to use. Now you have to click on leverage here. Now as you can see, we have from 1x leverage to 100x leverage. But as you can even see, it's telling you that high leverage increases liquidation risk. That means that if you use a very high leverage, a very little loss can actually make you lost all your portfolio, can destroy your portfolio. So I will always indicate the leverage that you are supposed to use. So this is very important too. But we always advise to use between 10x leverage to 20x leverage. So 10x, 20x is still very good. It's still very, very good. So, but for the purpose of this video, let's just use 10x. So you click on save. So like I said, to play safe, you should use leverage between 10x to 20x, because if you use more leverage, it is very risky, especially if you don't have a very deep knowledge of crypto trading. Like I said, I will always indicate the leverage that you are supposed to use for your trade. And the next thing is to make sure that you are on cross. And to check if you're on cross, you click here. So if it is not on cross before, if it's on isolated margin or on portfolio margin, you have to change it to cross, because that is actually what we can use to do our trading. So if it's not on cross, you change it to cross. That is also very important. So most of the signals I will be dropping on this channel will be market type. So to actually set your trade to market type or to limit type, you have to click on this place. So if it's on limit, you'll be able to change it to market. And if you want to do a limit type trade, if it's on market, you'll be able to change it to limit. So any type of trade you want to actually do, you can actually select it from here. But most of the trades I'll be dropping on the channel will be market type trade. So you click on market. So a very quick one, the difference between market and limit type is that if you enter a market trade, it will execute immediately, like the trade will start immediately. But for limit, you have to enter the limit price. That is also the order price. And it is until the trade gets to that price before it can start. So I hope you understand this now. Market trade will start immediately. But limit trade, you have to enter the limit price, like the price you want the trade to start. So it is until this chart that is reading right here gets to that price before your trade can start. But in any trade I will drop, I will always indicate if it is market or limit type. So let's take a signal from the channel and use it as an example. So let's go to my Telegram channel. So let's try to get, okay. So it is important for you to know that I don't charge any money for signals. I drop signals for free on my channel. So let's take this signal for 1000 bong. So I have actually made some profit from this trade. We just wanted to use this signal as an example so that you can know how you will always use my signals to enter your trade. So after dropping this signal, I also sent another message. I said I'm using leverage 10x for this. So that is to show you that I will always give you the leverage that you're supposed to use to enter a trade. So right now we go back to BYBIT. So to enter the signal, you click on this place that has BTC USDT. So you search for the trade you want to enter. That's 1000 bong. Yeah, so this is it. As you can see right here, this is 1000 bong USDT. So it is very important for you to also check. Like right now we have under it USDT perpetual. So you should always note, whenever you search for a trade, make sure that you click on the one that has perpetual. So right now I'm going to click on 1000 bong. So we change it to trade. We change it here to trade. Now let's go back and check the signal again. So as you can see, the entry type is market. So we check. Now we have market here already. So you just click on market. And we've already entered our leverage. Leverage is 10x. So after we've entered the trade type, which is market, and we've actually set our leverage, which is 10x, the next thing we have to do is to enter the order value. So as for me, I will always advise that you use 5 to 10% of your funds. Sometimes I do use more than that. It depends on how certain I am of the trade I actually want to do at that moment. But it is actually advisable to use between 5 to 10% of your trade. And that is why I always say that you should use 100 USDT at least, so that you'll be able to have reasonable profit. Like right now, if you use like 5% of 100 USDT, that is $5. And if you use 10% of 100 USDT, that is $10. So imagine if you have a trade that can actually do like 1000% profit. Yes, that is very possible. That means that if you use 10% on that trade, you'll be able to make 100 USDT. So that is why it is actually very nice for you to use the minimum of 100 USDT. Now imagine if you use 30 USDT and you want to use 10%, that is $3. The profit might not be that good. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So to enter your order value, you have to come to this slider here. So you move it to the percent of your funds that you want to use in this trade. So right now, let's slide. Let me use 5%. 5%. Yeah, as you can see, it's already on 5% right now. And the next thing we have to do is to enter the TP and the SL. So the TP is take profit, while the SL is stop loss. Now to do that, we have to click on this place, the TPSL, and we now enter the take profit of our trade and the stop loss of the trade. Now let's go back to the signal to confirm that. So the take profit is 0.048692. Now let's go back and enter that. So let's enter the TP here, 0.048692. And now let's enter the stop loss. And the stop loss is, let's confirm again. And the stop loss is 0.024990. So 0.024990. As you can see here, the profit of this trade is more than the loss, and that is how a good trade should actually be. Your profit should always be more than your loss. So right here, if we actually enter this trade now and we're able to meet up with our take profit, so we'll be having 249 USDT in profit. And if we're not able to meet up and probably we actually reach the stop loss, we only lost 8 USDT, which I think it is still cool, but I pray we always be in profit anyway. So the next thing we have to do right now is to click on done, then confirm. So if it is a long trade, let's check again. So as you can see, long, I wrote it in the front, 1000 bonk long. So you have to long the trade. So to do that, you just click on buy or long. So it is as simple as that. And if it is short, then you click on sell or short. So as you can see right now, the trade type we are doing here is market. And if it is now limit, so let me just do an example for that. So you click on this place, then you click on limit. So as you can see now, we now have the box for order price. So in the signal too, there will be a space that will write order price there, so that you'll be able to enter it in this space. So assuming that the order price is 0.02599. So this chart will keep reading. Immediately the price gets to 0.02599, then your trade will start immediately. So if it's a good trade, then you start earning profit immediately. So that is the difference between limit order and market order. So it is as simple as that. If there's any question you want to ask, probably on this, you can actually reach out to me. And if there's any other thing that you want to ask question about, if it is different from trading, you can actually